Hi guys, welcome back to LPS Littlest Pet Shop, and this is episode episode 2, and this is where they're at school. Let's take a look.
Okay, now everybody's here. Did everybody have a fun weekend? Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go along, and I'm gonna ask you what you did over the weekend. So, Firefly, what did you do? Well, I went to this flying contest, and whoever flies the highest wins. Oh, who won? I won in second place. This girl named Amy won first place. How cool, Firefly. Zach, what did you do? I went, let's see. Oh yeah, I went to Lagoon, and then I played with my friend Terry, and it was so fun. Awesome, that sounds like fun. Shelby, what did you do? I found a new home. Oh, I moved, and it was so fun. This is my new home, and now I could go in there whenever I want. That sounds so fun. Kigley, what did you do? Me and my sister, Agi, went to Outer Limits, and then the next day, on Saturday, we went on Friday and Saturday, and then on Sunday, after church, we went to the swimming place, and then it was so fun. Wow, that does sound like fun. So you and your sister? Yeah. Then do you want to say something, Ag? Sure. What I did, I got to go to my friend's house and spend the night. Oh, my friend got to go to Outer Limits and stuff with us. Oh, how fun. Okay, Duckling. I got to go, and I went to go to this beach in California, and it was so fun. Great. Selena, what did you do? I went to the circus, and then we got food, and then the show was so cool. A mouse was holding up a well. Oh my gosh, really? Yeah, it was so cool. Katie, what did you do? I went to this, my mom got me this new bed for my birthday. Oh, that's right, your birthday was on Sunday, huh? Yeah, we'll sing to you today. Okay, so, I got to go to, so I played with it a lot and stuff, yeah. Okay, that sounds like fun. Gerald, what did you do? I got to go spend the night at a hotel for 2 nights, and it was really fun. I bet it was. Sigley, what did you do? Me? Yes, Sigley. I got to go to this hopping place, and then I jumped the highest, and it was so fun. Oh, nice. Tiggy. Oh, Tiggle. Sorry, I get your name mixed up all the time. I got to go to this stand on water place, and then you could stand on water, and it was so fun. How nice. Suckley? I got to go, and then I dunked, and then I got to go dunk in this water with my head, and then my feet went in, and then I sunk down, and then my mommy saved me. How nice.
Okay guys, we're gonna end it off. Part 2 later. Goodbye.